Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 4.1 question number 3 from simple equations in 7th class NCERT. Question is solve the following equations by trial and error method. This method I already told you in an introduction. See the description box for the link. And now question is 3m minus 14 equal to 4. So this is the given equation. We have to apply trial and error method. Here trial and error method means, so if you take a number line, then you will get a better understanding, I hope. So this is the simple trick for the memorize and remembering the how to solve an equation. So let's take positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So I took nearly 12 numbers for trial and error method. So I started with a negative number and I will come to the positive number also by skipping one by one. So now let's start with the answer. So given 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. Now put m is equal to minus 5. So now equation how it comes, 3 into minus 5 minus 14 is equal to 4. So this resembles to 3 into 5 15 plus into minus minus. So minus 14 is equal to 4. So here we get minus 29 is equal to 4. So this does not, L.H.S is not equal to the R.H.S. Next skip into 2 steps because of minus 5 is a bigger value for the solving equation. I am skipping 2 numbers. I am going through minus 2. Now put m equal to minus 2. Whether you will have, I hope to find an answer here, then you will check with the minus 4 and minus 3 also. So here 3 into m minus 2, here minus 4 is equal to 4. So here 3 into 2 6, here minus and minus 14 that is 4, here minus 20 is equal to 4. Here also does not satisfy, L.H.S is not equal to the R.H.S. Next I am skipping these two also. So now I go through 0, put m equal to 0. Now 3 into 0 minus 14 equal to 4. So minus 14 equal to 4. Here also L.H.S and does not equal to the R.H.S. Now I started with a 1 also. Put m equal to 1 in a place of m. So 3 into 1 minus 14 is equal to 4. So here 3 ones are 3, minus 14 is equal to 4. Here minus 11 equal to 4. Here also L.H.S does not equal to the R.H.S. Next coming to the another value 2, put m is equal to 2. So here question 3 into m 2, here m value 2 minus 14 is equal to 4 from this equation. So 3 2s are 6, minus 14 is equal to 4. Here minus 8 equal to 4. We are getting near. See here minus 8 and 4. So by using all these numbers we get an answer, I hope. So let's start. Here L.H.S and does not equal to R.H here also. Next put m equal to 3. So this is we are trying. So 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 into 3 minus 14 equal to 4. 3 3s are 9 minus 14 equal to 4. So here we get answer minus 5 equal to 4. Here we are near to the answer. So here also L.H.S does not equal to R.H.S. Next put m equal to 4. 3 into 4 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 4s are 12 minus 14 equal to 4. Minus 2 equal to 4. Here also L.H.S does not equal to R.H.S. Next put 5 value, m equal to 5. Now 3 into 5 minus 14 equal to 4. 3 5s are 15 minus 4. 14 equal to 4. So 1 equal to 4. See here we get a positive value at 5. So our answer is near to 6, 7, 8, the numbers between. So here L.H.S does not equal to R.H.S because of, see here we get all negative answers at L.H side, but come to here we get a positive value. So we hope to near the answer is there. So let's start with another number. Put m equal to 6 in a equation. 3m minus 14 equal to 4. So 3 into 6 minus 14 into 4. 3 6 are 18 minus 14 equal to 4. So 4 equal to 4. Here is the answer we get. See here L.H.S and R.H.S both are equal together. So L.H.S equal to R.H.S. So the value of m equal to 4 satisfies the equation 3m minus 14 equal to 4. So this is the solving a equation by trial and error method. By using a line, that is number line, you will get a better understanding how you cannot skip any value, you cannot forget any value throughout the solving an equation. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.